you are from class 2A, and this is our Arduino project. Our Arduino project is motorcycle security for Android. Okay, now Larry and Kamal will introduce about the circuit.
So basically the component from the Arduino is, the first one is source. We are using 9-volt source battery, and then the second one is sensor for the input, and that one will be combined in the blackboard.
Okay, then we use HC05 Bluetooth. There is also another Bluetooth called the HC06, but we use this as it has a manual button to switch on. As you can see, it is blinking right now, meaning that the phone is not currently connected. Next is the Arduino Uno board, where it is connected via wires to the breadboard. And finally, we can see the output, the RGB LED and the buzzer.
Okay, I will explain how this system functions. The system use vibrate sensor. Vibrate sensor. When vibrate sensor, they set up at some part at the motorcycle, such as tire or handle. And when the vibrate sensor detect a vibration, input this with transfer, will send to the Arduino. Arduino will make a process the input and output to the buzzer and LED light. And buzzer will make a sound, and LED light and blinking. Then proceed to Android.
Okay, as we can see that the light is blinking, so it means that the Bluetooth is still not connected with the Android. So now this is the apps we made. Okay, this is Bluetooth. First we have to press this button, then choose the Bluetooth. Okay, this one is the Bluetooth that we set. Okay, right now it's already connected. So the light is blinking, but it have delay. So when, as Joe said before, this sensor we will install at the handle or at tire, right? So if people vibrate this sensor, the buzzer will ring and the notification will
Okay.
And then the sound warning will give notification to user. Okay. Then when we press stop, the circuit will stop. So that's how our project function.